Okay folks, Damien here again with Best Care, continuing my training with the use of the Best Care lift and the slings. I'm on the Goulden LECO-compatible sling. I've shown some demonstrations of lifting people from the chair, from the bed. Now I want to demonstrate how to transfer a person from the chair to the bed. Because with this type of transfer, we need to hook the sling up a particular way to make it as easy as possible to get the person from the chair to the bed. So we already have the sling on the patient for this demonstration. We're going to go ahead and crisscross the sling. And we're going to approach the patient with the lift. And now, we're going to connect the loops on the sling a very particular way. We're going to make the slings on the shoulder area as long as possible. So the outside loop. And then we're going to make the sling in the leg area as short as possible. For the furthest inside loop. Why are we doing this? Because we want to raise the patient's lower body up and tilt the shoulders back, so when the patient's up in the air, they're laying down. And then when we take the person into the bed, we know where their head's going to end up on the pillow. So everything's connected. Going to hit the up button and start raising the patient. And you can see, as I was discussing earlier during the transfer process, you start to see the lower body area coming up first and the head going back. So you can see the person's in more of a reclined position. Going to back the lift away from the chair, close the base down. I'm going to go ahead and move the chair out of the way just to make it a little easier for me to maneuver here. Then I'm going to take the lift over the bed. Put it in position. We can raise the patient up a little bit more if we need to get him over the top of the bed. So that way we know where they are. And then we're going to go ahead and lower the patient down. And you can see that we're paying particular attention to where the head ends up with the patient. Now the patient is exactly where we want them in the bed. We're going to take the loops off of the hooks. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how we're going to remove this sling from the patient while they're in the bed. No need to leave it on. We get our loops disconnected. We're going to back the lift out of the way. We need to have it in the way when we're working with the patient with the sling. The first step is we're going to kind of raise the leg up on the patient and pull the sling straps out from underneath the person. Second step is we're going to roll the patient over slightly, tuck the material on one side underneath the patient as much as we can, bring the patient the other direction, bring him towards you, grab the sling, and voila, the sling is off the patient. That's how we transfer a patient from the chair to the bed. Thank you.